Hey guys, it's your girl Hallie, and this is my channel. Tomorrow is gonna be just me doing my makeup because I feel like I haven't sat down and done my makeup in a very long time. Like, I feel like, do I even know how to do my makeup anymore? I don't know. I was like, why not just film me doing makeup? I wanted to do a talk through, but that's a lot of talking and I really don't want to talk. So it's gonna be a bit of talking through, but also just a bit of voiceover. And yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm just gonna sit down and just do my makeup and just chill, listen to some music, and just have a great time. Yeah, so if you guys want to see me do my makeup, and yeah, just keep on watching. Alexa, play my playlist in Apple Music. If I knew what I was doing, I really don't. I don't know. We'll see how this turns out. I don't know, man. I don't know. That was the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching it and enjoyed watching me do my makeup. Hopefully it was interesting and a little funny because I honestly did not know what look I was going to do. And I think, honestly, we don't know. But I hope you guys, again, enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.